There are two main ways to achieve merging arrays and removing duplicates in MuleSoft 4 using data weave. Method 1. Using concatenation, and distinct by. This method is straightforward and efficient. Here's the data weave code. %dw 2.0. Output application, JSON. var r1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, var r2 equals 3, 4, 5, 6. Concatenate the arrays. var merged equals r1 plus r2. Remove duplicates based on the value itself. var distinct equals merged distinct by $. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Explanation. 1. We define two sample arrays R1 and R2. 2. The operator concatenates these arrays into a new variable merged. 3. The distinct by $ function removes duplicates from merged. It uses the element itself, $, as the criteria for uniqueness. Method 2. Using map and filter. This method involves iterating through the arrays and checking for duplicates. It's slightly less efficient but offers more flexibility for conditional filtering. %dw 2.0. Output application, JSON. var r1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, var r2 equals 3, 4, 5, 6. Combine arrays with filtering. var all elements equals r1 map $+ r2 filter not, r1 contains $. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Explanation. 1. We define two sample arrays again. 2. The map $ expression iterates through R1 and creates a new array with each element. 3. We concatenate this result with R2. 4. The filter function removes elements from the combined array that already exist in R1 using the contains operator. Choosing the right method. For a simple merge and deduplication scenario, method 1 with ++ and distinct by is recommended for efficiency. If you need to filter based on additional criteria beyond just duplicates, method 2 with map and filter provides more control.